Welcome to the DigiSender installation and troubleshooting video guide. Included in the pack is a transmitter and receiver. These are clearly marked on the base of the units. Also included is a remote relay kit. This consists of the Digi-I and may include several mounting accessories depending on your model. The DigiSender remote control is included with most multiple input models and can be used to switch inputs or turn the units on and off. Make sure to remove the tab before operating this remote control. Your DigiSender is compatible with any make of satellite, Freeview, DVD or VCR and most other audio-video devices with a SCART output. In this example, we will show you how to connect the transmitter to a satellite receiver in the lounge, transmitting the signal to a second TV located in the bedroom. Let's take a look at the transmitter. Things to note are the Digi-connector inputs, the remote relay channel switch, the audio-video channel switch, the IR socket, the power supply unit socket. Some DigiSender models are fitted with 2 or more inputs. This would allow you to connect 2 or more different source devices simultaneously, but in this example we'll only be connecting to a satellite receiver. The Digi-connector is specially designed SCART plug that allows you to connect in line with an existing SCART cable, eliminating the need for a spare SCART socket on your source device. Identify Digi-connector 1. It is clearly marked. To connect the transmitter to your satellite receiver, you first need to identify which SCART cable is connecting the satellite receiver to your TV. Unplug this SCART cable from the satellite receiver. Now connect the Digi-connector. Then reconnect the SCART cable into the back of the Digi-connector. Connect the power supply to the transmitter and then plug it into an available main socket. Connect the Digi-I to the socket labelled IR and position the Digi-I in front of your satellite receiver. Make sure that the face of the Digi-I is pointing towards the IR sensor on your satellite receiver. Turn on the transmitter and your satellite receiver. If you have a DigiSender model with multiple inputs, make sure it is set to input 1. This completes the installation of the transmitter and we are now ready to install the receiver in our bedroom. Let's take a look at the receiver. Things to note are the SCART output, the remote relay channel switch, the audio-video channel switch, the power supply unit socket. Locate a vacant SCART socket on the rear of your TV and connect the SCART output. Connect the power supply to the receiver and plug it into an available main socket. Switch the receiver on. If you have a DigiSender model with multiple inputs, make sure it is set to input 1. It is important to make sure the receiver is looking towards the user, so that the face of the receiver is pointing towards the bed, or wherever you are likely to operate the satellite remote control from. The DigiSender will not automatically switch your TV to the correct channel, so it is important that you select the relevant AV channel using your bedroom TV remote control. The button to do this may be labelled as AV, Source, Input, or this symbol, and may require the button to be pressed a number of times before the correct channel is selected. Once the correct AV channel has been selected, you'll be able to watch your satellite channels from your bedroom. If you have other TVs in other rooms, then these too can receive the signals from your existing DigiSender transmitter. To purchase an additional receiver for your system, you can ring our sales hotline on 01797 226 122 or search online for DigiSender accessories. Problems using your satellite remote control from the bedroom are easily solved. In your lounge, Check that the DigiEye is connected to the IR socket on the back of the DigiSender transmitter and that the face of the DigiEye is correctly pointing towards the IR sensor on your satellite receiver. In your bedroom, ensure that the front of the receiver is correctly facing the person using the satellite remote control. Try operating the satellite remote control closer to the DigiSender receiver. Move the DigiSender transmitter and receiver away from any other electrical devices. Try changing the remote relay channel on both the transmitter and the receiver. Interference can be caused by messy cables and other electrical devices situated near to your DigiSender transmitter or receiver. Always make sure the cables between your equipment are neat and tidy, and move the DigiSender transmitter and receivers away from other electrical devices. Occasionally, when using the 2.4 GHz model along with other wireless products like wireless LAN, games consoles and Bluetooth, interference can sometimes occur. Changing the audio-video channel on which your DigiSender operates will often solve these interference problems. This concludes our DigiSender installation and troubleshooting video guide. Thank you for watching.